In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day and the darkness night. There was evening and there was morning, the first day. On the second day, God said, "Let there be a vault between the waters to separate water from water." Thus God made the vault and separated the water under the vault from the water above it. He called the vault sky. Evening came and morning followed, the second day. God continued his work on the third day, saying, "Let the water under the sky be gathered to one place, and let dry ground appear." God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he named seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it." The land brought forth vegetation, and God saw that it was good. Evening passed and morning came, the third day. On the fourth day God said, "Let there be lights in the vault of the sky to separate the day from the night." God made two great lights, the greater light to govern the day and the lesser light to govern the night. He also made the stars. Placing them in the sky's vault, God saw that they were good. Evening and morning marked the fourth day. God said on the fifth day, "Let the water teem with living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the sky." So God created every living thing that moves in the waters, and every winged bird according to its kind. God blessed them and saw that it was good. Evening came, followed by morning, the fifth day. On the sixth day, God said, "Let the land produce living creatures according to their kinds." God made wild animals, livestock, and creatures that move along the ground. Then God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness." So God created mankind, male and female, blessing them to be fruitful. God saw everything he had made and saw that it was very good. Evening and morning marked the sixth day. By the seventh day, God's creation was complete. He rested from all his work and blessed the seventh day, making it holy. Thus concludes the tale of Genesis chapter 1, a powerful story of beginnings and divine creativity.